final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys saw, the install was super quick, and that's because the wig made it super easy to install. Like literally it was already pre-plucked, HD laced, so we didn't have to like bleach the lace or anything. All we did is just apply a little bit of foundation, and she plucked it a lot just so the lace in the front could look like, you know, very realistic, give scalp, you know, all that good stuff. But other than that, like, it was super easy and quick to install. The hair is super silky and soft, so we didn't have to put a lot of heat on it to get it like this silky straight. So we did do like some slight layers in the front just so it's not like everything so perfect. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this look. The color is just top 10 out of 10. It just makes my skin look scrumptious. I just love it. I'm obsessed with this, top tier quality. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you guys check out Hair. I will have all the links down below to the store, to the wig, and everything else you guys need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.